the inspiration and the driving force behind Arkit. He is none other than the humble yet towering Mr. Tayyib Barodawala. Give him a big hand, everybody!
Thank you. Good evening, everybody, and Jai Ho! Okay, so that's the excitement which we are feeling today. I'm really happy to be here on this occasion. We are honored to have you all here today, and my warm greetings to all of you all. Let me just give you a little bit, history of Arkit. Actually, Arkit has started in 1998, and in our earlier avatar, we were known as Software Techniques. And in 2001, we changed the name of the company to Arkit. Arkit stands for All About Knowledge and Information Technology. And this was in sync with our vision, which is customers' business success through state-of-the-art business management, knowledge, and information technology. And that's where Arkit is, and that's how it came about. As I look back, of our journey for 2 decades now, we have had a real ride. It's like a roller coaster. We've had ups and downs. We've had rough times, smooth times, good times, lot of good times, of course. And the journey has had its fair share of problems. You name it, we've had it, okay? In all areas, technology, infrastructure, and whatever. But it's been very enjoyable. It's been enjoyable, it's been enriching, and today we stand here before you all. It's been really satisfying too. And the reason we are here today is because of the opportunities which we have got from a lot of the people in this room, the confidence that they've had in us, and this has helped us to be there where we are today. Of course, a special thanks to my colleagues. They have worked tremendously hard, okay, tremendously. It's a great team that we have here, and I'm really proud, and they are well respected, this whole team, in the peers in the industry. Thank you. Now, we started our discussions with Aequitas in 2006. And my colleague and friend Ashok Shetty is the one who initiated this, who's kind of taken it forward, and who's really brought it to this level. So Ashok, thank you very much. It's been your vision, your guidance, and your support, which is why we are here today. That is, it's really, thank you very much. The 2 words really which describe Arkit and Aequitas' relationship. And it's maybe a very colloquial Bombay term, but it's matching wavelength, So the wavelengths between the 2 companies are really matching. And this is something which has happened right from the beginning. So we are able to work together very closely. We believe that this is the key to a very successful and strong relationship that we share today. We have got a very good story to say so far. Our report card is very good so far. Number of projects which have been done, number of projects which are going on, all very successful. Number of projects are there which have been done for Continental itself, for companies, Continental subsidiaries in India, with Gerber Group, with Bucyrus, which is going on. So all this is a very good story which we already have, which is already in place. So this is again, a question as to in these times, what is it? How come this investment is going on? Is it the right time for these 2 companies to come together? Is it the right time for Arkit to invest in infrastructure, to build up the capabilities, to build up capacities, to recruit, go out in the market and keep recruiting? We think it is. Okay, so let me give you the Arkit and Aequitas perspective and why we are so confident about ourselves and why we are so sure of ourselves. When we talk actually with our colleagues Christian and Thorsten and all, and he tells them, there's a slowdown in the Indian economy and things are not doing so good. And they say, but we just read you are going to grow at 6%, 7%. Yeah, okay, we are growing at 6 or 7%. But, there's a slowdown. So, but, like Montek Singh Ahluwalia, just last week, he's again given a statement saying that in 2009, India's GDP is going to be 6.5%. So, we see that this potential, the potential which is there is tremendous. For us to work together is tremendous. And we believe that this is a great story that we have, and the offerings that we have are really something which are there and which are a need today in the marketplace. Now our plans of course are very ambitious for the next 3 years. We plan to grow at 50% year on year for the next 3 years, and of course we will increase our headcount and our infrastructure to match this growth. Now worldwide companies, when they look at IT services, they definitely look at what is the kind of capability, what is the kind of delivery capacity which you have, and of course the quality. So it is given that you have to have very high quality, you have to be able to scale quickly. So you should have the ability to scale up quickly, and you should be competitive in your cost. So this is something which is of course what companies are looking for. And this is why when Aequitas and Arcit go to the market together and the offerings that we have, this is precisely why we will be there in the leadership position. We have the best bundle to offer. Okay? So we have on-site, near-shore, offshore. You say what you want. We have the capability. We will deliver in whichever manner you want it. We have a process quality focus. So we are very, very committed to the quality. It is mandatory. It is given. It is required in all areas. And for us, it is plain and simple common sense that we have to deliver on time and with the best quality. The thing which I think is a key in this poll between the two teams is that we have a very strong entrepreneurial streak. When we take up any assignment, we take on ownership for it. We take on the responsibility for it. Okay? And this entrepreneurial streak between the two organizations which is now one, is very, very strong. And this is across the team. So when we work with the customers, we believe that we have to take on the ownership and we have to really be committed and be responsible for our actions. And this can-do attitude of ours is a winner too. We also believe in long-term relationships. So whilst we are focused on our targets, we want to meet our numbers, we do not take decisions which will be there just for meeting that target, which is a short-term target. It is a decision which will be a long-term decision. It is a decision which will lead to a long-term relationship. So this is something which is very important to us. And this is true in our dealings with our suppliers, our teams, with the customers, with everybody. So we believe in being fair and honest in what we do. And actually fair and honest is what Aequitas stands for and what it means. So capability, confidence and commitment is what we bring to you. And I tell you, get the AAA, get the Arcit Aequitas advantage. Thank you.